Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to dive into an overview of Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse. The title of today's presentation is Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse, Enhancing Data Management and Analytics. We'll explore how this powerful platform unlocks efficiency, boosts security, and drives AI-powered insights for modern organizations. Over the next few slides, we'll cover the key features, benefits, and how it can transform your data strategies. So let's get started. Welcome to this next section, where we'll explore the recent enhancements to the Fabric Data Warehouse. As we've discussed, staying current with these updates is essential for maintaining smooth data workflows. These improvements not only streamline operations, but also help organizations unlock greater value from their data assets. The latest features are designed to boost efficiency, cut down manual efforts, and enable deeper insights into your data. This means better decision-making and more impactful outcomes. The Fabric Data Warehouse platform itself offers robust capabilities for storing, processing, and analyzing large and complex datasets. It truly empowers organizations to handle their most demanding data needs seamlessly. In today's data-driven environment, effective data management isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a critical success factor. It ensures that businesses can make informed decisions quickly and stay competitive in their markets. So, by focusing on these enhancements, we're equipping ourselves to manage data more effectively and drive better results across the board. Let's talk about custom SQL pools and how they can really enhance our data management and analytics. One of the key strategies is to assign custom SQL pools to individual teams. This approach not only boosts performance, but also makes data operations much more streamlined. By doing this, management becomes simpler, and collaboration within teams improves because everyone works within their dedicated environment. This flexibility means we can better utilize our resources and speed up insights. When each team has its own SQL pool, they can focus on their specific data needs without interference, leading to faster results. Another important aspect is optimizing performance for different workloads. By adjusting storage and processing settings, we can tailor performance for tasks like analytical queries, ensuring each workload gets the right amount of resources. Custom SQL pools also allow us to create specialized data processing areas tailored for various teams or tasks. This setup helps teams concentrate on their unique data requirements without disruptions from other workloads, ultimately making our entire data ecosystem more efficient and effective. Let's talk about how data clustering in Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse enhances our data management and analytics. Essentially, data clustering groups data based on usage patterns, which means the system can locate relevant information more quickly. This organization significantly reduces the time it takes to respond to queries, leading to faster access to insights for users. When data is organized efficiently, overall query performance improves, making the entire process smoother and more productive. So, by clustering data effectively, we're not just speeding up searches, we're enabling a more seamless experience that helps users get the insights they need more rapidly and with less effort. Now, let's take a closer look at how the Migration Assistant simplifies the data transfer process. One of its key features is the use of AI to adapt source schemas to the new format seamlessly. This means it can automatically understand and reconfigure data structures, reducing the need for manual adjustments. Additionally, it efficiently resolves any errors that might occur during migration, which significantly improves the reliability of the entire process. This adaptability and error handling are crucial for ensuring data integrity and a smooth transition. Moving on, the Migration Assistant also streamlines the migration processes overall. It automates the transfer of both data and metadata from legacy databases to the Fabric Data Warehouse, saving time and effort. By leveraging AI, it minimizes downtime during these transitions, ensuring that your operations can continue smoothly without lengthy interruptions. In summary, this tool is designed to make data migration faster, more reliable, and less labor-intensive, perfectly aligning with our goal of making data management more efficient and effective. Now, let's take a closer look at the enhancements we're making to improve your experience with the Fabric Data Warehouse. These improvements are all about making the platform more accessible and easier to work with, especially for those who might not be deeply familiar with SQL syntax. One of the key features is enhanced accessibility, which includes AI-driven code completion and quick actions like fix and explain. These tools are designed to help you reduce errors and better understand your queries, making the whole process smoother and more intuitive. Another exciting development is support for natural language SQL query creation. This means you can now ask simple questions in plain language, and Copilot will generate the appropriate SQL queries for you. It really simplifies working with SQL, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, and aligns perfectly with our goal of making data management more user-friendly for everyone. Now, let's talk about incremental and proactive statistics refresh, which are key features of Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse that enhance our data management and analytics capabilities. Proactive statistics refresh works by automatically updating the most frequently used data statistics right away, without waiting for scheduled updates. This means that the critical data points we rely on are always current, which significantly boosts query performance. Imagine you're running time-sensitive operations. Waiting for periodic updates can be a real bottleneck, and this feature helps us avoid that delay altogether. By keeping our statistics up to date, we can plan and execute queries faster and with greater accuracy. On the other hand, incremental statistics refresh is all about updating only the data that has actually changed. This approach saves us time and computing resources because we're not reprocessing the entire dataset, just the parts that need it. This method is especially beneficial in systems where data updates happen frequently, as full refreshes would be inefficient and resource-intensive. By focusing only on the modified data, we make our processes more efficient, reduce processing time, and optimize resource usage. Together, these features, proactive and incremental refresh, work hand in hand to keep our data analytics fast, accurate, and resource-efficient, supporting our overall goal of smarter, more responsive data management. Now, let's talk about how optimized storage solutions are really transforming our data management. With Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse, the goal is to make data handling more efficient so you can focus on analyzing the data itself, rather than worrying about the underlying infrastructure. This shift means your resources are used more effectively, and your productivity gets a boost. One of the key features here is smart garbage collection. Think of it as an automatic cleanup crew that removes outdated or unnecessary data without you having to lift a finger. This keeps the storage clean and efficient, ensuring you're not bogged down with manual maintenance. All these storage improvements directly enhance performance. Data is stored more efficiently, which means faster query processing and easier management overall. When storage is optimized like this, it frees you up to concentrate on the insights that matter most, rather than getting caught up in infrastructure details. This focus on analysis is at the heart of what we're aiming for in this solution. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the security enhancements in Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse, specifically the identity columns and the merge statement. These features are designed to significantly improve data integrity and make management much easier, especially when working with large and dynamic datasets. They offer powerful tools to ensure your data remains accurate and consistent during various database operations. Starting with the merge statement, this is a really versatile command that allows you to insert, update, or delete data all in one go. What this means in practice is that you can synchronize datasets more efficiently, reducing the complexity and effort involved in managing changes across large volumes of data. It's like having a single, streamlined process for keeping your data up to date. On the other hand, identity columns automatically generate unique IDs for new rows as they are added. This simplifies data entry because you don't have to manually assign IDs, and it also helps prevent errors. Each row gets a distinct identifier, which is crucial for maintaining data integrity and making sure your datasets are reliable. Overall, these features are game changers for handling large, complex data environments. They help ensure your data stays accurate, consistent, and easy to manage, key aspects that support robust data management and effective analytics. Now, let's talk about the advanced security features in Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse. These measures are all about ensuring that only authorized users can access the data, which is crucial for maintaining data confidentiality and integrity. We've integrated with Entra ID, which helps manage user identities securely. Conditional access policies are in place to enforce specific rules for who can access what and under what circumstances. And to add an extra layer of protection, data masking is used to hide sensitive information from unauthorized viewers. Moving on, protecting sensitive data isn't just about access. It's also about controlling what users can see. That's where row-level security comes in. It allows us to specify exactly which data each user can view, down to a granular level, ensuring that everyone only sees what they're supposed to. All these security measures work together to help us stay compliant and safeguard our data at every step. They're essential for building trust and ensuring the integrity of our data management and analytics processes. Now, let's talk about the mirroring enhancements for data availability in Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse. These improvements are all about ensuring that your data is always accessible and that your operations can continue smoothly, even in the face of unexpected failures. What this means in practice is that these enhancements guarantee continuous data availability and operational resilience. So, if there's a system failure, your business can keep running without disruptions. One of the key features supporting this is redundancy. It allows for quick recovery by automatically switching to the nearest available data copy during outages. This way, downtime is minimized and your operations stay seamless. Additionally, the automatic recovery mechanisms ensure that even during outages, data is replicated in real time across systems. This means your users always have access to the most current information, and everything remains synchronized and up to date across all platforms. In essence, these mirroring upgrades are about creating a resilient, reliable environment where data is always available, supporting your business continuity goals. Support for Python and R in Fabric really takes our data capabilities to the next level. It enhances collaboration between analysts and data scientists, making it easier for everyone to work together seamlessly. This collaboration speeds up the process of generating AI-driven insights, which in turn fosters innovation and boosts efficiency across the board. When we talk about integration, tools like SparkML, scikit-learn, PyTorch, and TensorFlow come into play. These allow data scientists to leverage their existing skills and familiar libraries, ensuring a smooth transition and quick adoption of AI frameworks within the platform. Fabric Data Warehouse, now supporting Python and R, means users can perform advanced data science and machine learning workflows directly within the environment. This makes building predictive models and conducting complex analyses more accessible and efficient. Overall, this support aligns perfectly with our goal of making data analysis more powerful, collaborative, and innovative. On this slide, we're focusing on how Copilot for data pipelines helps improve our workflow. When it offers clear summaries, it allows us to make adjustments more confidently. This is really important because it reduces the chances of making errors, which can slow us down. By streamlining this process, we can work faster and more accurately. This improved clarity in our workflows directly leads to higher productivity. When we understand our data pipeline configurations better, managing them becomes more efficient. Copilot simplifies complex tasks by providing concise, easy-to-understand summaries. That means we can quickly grasp what's going on and tweak settings as needed, saving us both time and effort. In essence, this feature is about making data engineering less error-prone and more straightforward, helping us deliver results more efficiently and confidently. Now, let's look at how embracing these developments can really position organizations to take advantage of the latest capabilities for smarter business intelligence. As we move forward, upcoming AI-powered features are set to significantly enhance data processing. These improvements include smarter connections, which mean more seamless integration across systems, and better engineering tools that help us manage data more effectively. The goal here is to streamline workflows, making processes more efficient, and to automate routine tasks that usually take up a lot of time. This automation frees up valuable resources, allowing teams to focus on more strategic activities. Plus, these advancements enable more sophisticated data modeling, giving us deeper insights and more accurate predictions. All of this ties back to our overall theme of leveraging cutting-edge technology to drive better decision-making. By adopting these innovations, organizations will not only improve their current data management, but also position themselves at the forefront of business intelligence in the future. Now, let's talk about the power of real-time analytics capabilities within Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse. When we have real-time insights, organizations can identify and seize timely opportunities, which is crucial in today's fast-paced markets. This ability helps companies stay ahead of the competition by acting quickly on emerging trends or issues. Seizing these opportunities allows organizations to respond faster to changing conditions, whether it's market shifts, customer preferences, or operational challenges. This agility is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. And how do we achieve this? Through instant processing of streaming data. The Fabric Data Warehouse can analyze data as it flows in, providing up-to-the-minute insights. This means decision-makers can act immediately based on the latest information, supporting rapid and informed responses. In essence, real-time analytics empower organizations to be more agile, proactive, and competitive in a constantly evolving landscape. Let's look at some of the key features and benefits highlighted here. Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse is continuously improving to better support data management and analytics. For example, enhancements like Copilot and expanded language support really boost usability, making the platform more accessible and easier to work with for everyone. Moving on to user experience improvements, we've introduced security upgrades such as identity columns, the merge statement, and advanced access controls. These changes are crucial because they help us protect sensitive data more robustly, giving users confidence in how their data is handled. Another important area is performance optimization. The incremental and proactive statistics refresh features ensure our data insights stay current and accurate, which is essential for making timely decisions. Plus, data clustering plays a big role in speeding up query performance by organizing data efficiently, so retrieval times are minimized. Finally, the addition of custom SQL Pools allows for tailored data processing. This means we can handle specific workloads more precisely and efficiently, aligning with our goal of providing flexible, powerful tools for diverse data needs. All of these features together illustrate our commitment to making the platform more powerful, secure, and user-friendly. Key themes as we continue to enhance our data ecosystem. Now, as we wrap up, I want to emphasize a few key steps to ensure you stay ahead with Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse. First, developing comprehensive training plans is crucial. By doing so, your teams will become proficient with the new features, which in turn allows them to fully leverage the platform's capabilities. It's all about empowering your team through education. Next, engaging stakeholders is essential. When everyone is aligned on data strategies and organizational goals, it creates a more unified and effective approach to using the platform. Collaboration at this level helps maximize the value you get from your data initiatives. Finally, staying informed with the latest updates is vital. Regularly checking the Microsoft Fabric Updates blog will keep you aware of new features, best practices, and tips. This continuous learning ensures you're always up to date and can adapt your strategies accordingly. Together, these steps help solidify your organization's data management and analytics success, ensuring you're always one step ahead.